Hey, have you ever wanted to create your own book cover without needing fancy designs? Cause you can totally do it using Canva. It's super easy to use and free, and I will show you how to make a professional looking cover for your KDP book in no time. Ready to bring your book to life? So let's get started. So hello everyone, I hope everything is doing well first, and welcome back in another video. I'm glad to be here with you and show you how you can get started and create a KDP book cover with canva.com. So the first step that you have to do, of course, which is open your browser and dive into canva.com. As you can see, this is the home page, as you can see. So firstly, you must ask yourself a question: what is Canva, and what various things that we don't know. Canva, of course, if it's your first time and you get started with this one by signing up for your first time, I will tell you what is Canva first. So Canva is a free online design tool that lets you create all sorts of visual content like book covers, social media posts, and flyers as well, without needing any design experience. It's perfect for making a custom KDP book cover because it has ready-made templates and easy drag and drop features to help you design a professional looking cover in just a few steps. So you have just right now to come back to the top and you click over sign up here in the top right. Also we have the button of login. I don't have this one because I already have an account. Here we have my account, and I will just click over home and they will find this page. But here, if you just sign up and you write your email address and your password, or also if you log in, you will find this page directly without finding this one. Because me, I already have an account, I will just click over canva.com. I will find this page and I will just click for my profile and I will click over home. Then you'll find this page, as you can see. Alright, so right now you have just to open browser again and dive into KDP book cover template. It's just a website from the platform amazon.com. You have just to click over the first one and you'll find other page, which is this one. So firstly, why we use this platform? So this platform, he just help you to calculate the dimensions of your KDP book. And because if you come back to the Canva, click over KDP design and we click over custom site, you'll find here you want to know the width and the height about your, or also the units if you want pixels or inches, and also we have millimeters and centimeters as well. So we have just right now to go to KDP book and you click over here to calculate the dimensions. So we have here to find out the exact dimensions of your cover. You have to use the calculator. You can also download template PDF and PNG to be used as a guide layer in your image editing software. Learn more about hard cover and paperback cover requirements. You have just to scroll down right now and you fill in the files here. And here enter your book information such as binding type, for example if you want a hardcover, paperback as well. Then we have an interior type if you want a black and white, premium color, standard color, about the paper type if you want a white paper, or this is the only choice that you have. About oriented direction, you have just to select left to right to the left. Then we have a measurement units, you have to select inches or millimeters. I will select inches. About interior size, you will select here how much you want. And about page count, you have just to, sorry, let's just come back right now. About page count, you have to select here how much, and they will select here 100, for example. And you click over calculate dimensions and you'll find other page, which is this one, as you can see. So here we have how you can get started. We have the description of all things, such as we have it full cover, and above of full cover, you'll find here total width and height of the cover file, including front, back, spine, and wrap. About here we have front cover, then wrap, hinge, and we have here spine safe area, and various things. So for example, about the width we have here 13.014. About the height we have 9.9017. I will just come back to the Canva and I will click over create design, and I will add here those things, which is 13. What is it? 014. All right. And about height, I will just come back. Here we have a height 9, which is 9.917. Thank you for your help. And I will click over create new design, and I will just come back right now and I will click over download a template. So let's just wait for that. and we have the download of template. I will click over save and I will come back right now because I downloaded the template. So I will just go to the upload of course, and I will just click over upload files and I will search for it. I will just click over here and I will select all files. Then I will just click over here and I will open this template as you can see, and you will find it here. So it's very easy to do that, and here we have it. So I will just click over download to verify what is it and how it looks. Our template that we created on KDP book, and here we have how it looks as you can see. Alright, so right now all I have to do is just using Canva for design your template. So for example, you can just right now click over design and you have just to search for KDP book cover and you'll find this results. So for example, you have to select this one if you want. So this is it, and here we have how it looks as you can see. If you want to add for example text, you click over here and you add a text, and also you can here select the background that you want. For example, about this one, you can just right now select the background that you want. Alright, so for example, I choose this background as you can see. We'll just modify it like that. Here we have it. Alright, so this is about journal book. I will just right now here modify. If I want for example modify the color, I will put here the black one, or for example the white one, so it's gonna be clear. All right, so yes, as I told you, right now if you want to add a text or something, you go to text and you add here the option of subheading, or add a little bit of body text as well. Also we have here, if we go to the uploads, if you record yourself, you click over here and you click over allow, and you click over allow again, and you start recording yourself by clicking here using the application of OBS as you can see. And here we have how you can get started and you record using this template. So you click over done. If you want to save, you click over here. If you want to exit, you click here on the template and you will click over exit without saving. Also we have here various things such as in the elements, you can just search for KDP book, or you can just search for logos. For example, here we have such as logo, for example logo of book, and you'll find it is, you'll just go to the graphics and you will see here how much logo that we have. Also other logos for books or something that related to the books as well. Also if you want just to draw, you click over draw and you will find here the colors that you want. You select the one you want. For example, I will select the black one, and here we have it. I will just draw here as you can see. If you want to delete it, you click over here as you can see, and if you want to also here did a mistake, you will just click over here and you come back for the first look how it looks. So here we have it. So if you want to just right now share your template, you click over here in the top right. If you want to copy the link, if you want to also make this one, if anyone can access the design using this link, no sign in required. If you want to zoom in, if you want to zoom out, also we have a thumbnail view, great view, present full screen, and if you want to ask Canva as well. So this is it for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.